Hello everyone! Today, I'll be showing you how to contact a seller on Temo. First, open up the Temo app. Now, find the item that you want to contact the seller about. If you look right under the item name, you'll see sold by the seller name. Go ahead and tap on that. This will load up the seller's profile. From here, scroll a little up or down and you'll see the profile picture. Tap on the profile picture and it will display the seller's information. You'll then be able to find their email address or telephone number to get in touch with them. And that's it. That's how to contact a seller on Temo. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.